Today we're installing the Madjax golf bag attachment combo. Included with the kit is the golf bag attachment bar, the golf bag assembly, the lower bag strap, and the hardware. To do this, we're going to use a cordless drill set, a 3/8 drill bit, a 14mm socket, a 13mm wrench, a marking pin, a hole punch, a hammer, and a speed square. Now let's get started. Place the golf bag bar on top of the armrest. Make sure that it's aligned to clear the bottom seat cushion. Once it's even on both sides, make a mark inside the welded nut. Remove the golf bag bar and use a hammer and punch to start the holes. Using your 3/8 drill bit and safety glasses, drill through the armrests at the marked locations. Place the golf bag bar back on the armrest and secure with the threaded knobs. Attach the golf bag assembly to the bar using the supplied hardware. Feed the lower bag strap around the bag wheel brackets and secure. You're now finished installing your Madjax golf bag attachment combo.